Hello guys, so here I have another carburetor. It's a Mikuni T3044Z061 carburetor, and it came of Husky generator, small generator, 1850 watts. So I would say it's about maybe 5 horsepower carburetor. And it gave me a really hard time, or it's giving me a really hard time, because I cleaned it already about 3 times, and it's still not running right. So anyway, I thought I'm gonna share with you how to clean this thing, and just to remember next time for myself. Okay, unscrew the bottom bolt, bottom pan. Already cleaned this one and it was pretty dirty, not overly, but it was dirty. Okay, now remove this thing is kind of hard also. This, I find these pliers are the best. Just grab it like that, prime it against the metal, it will come out. There you go. Pull it out. This is what you're gonna have. Nice and clean. I'm just going to turn it around just in case, but I don't think it will make any difference. This is how I have it right now. Okay. So here we have the inlet for the gas, which are already cleaned. And now let's get to the jets. Well, also we have passage, this passage here. This hole here goes through here and then goes down over here. And I cleaned that one too. Now, let me take off one of these gloves. Here is the main jet, the fuel jet, that you can just pretty much unscrew. If you like. This is what you're going to end up with. A little piece like that, with a hole in the middle. Okay, that's the main jet, or one of them. Inside here would be another main jet that I should be able to unscrew. Okay. So this is another main jet that will go through here all the way up to the main opening, and it has a bunch of little holes for the air to suck the air and suck the gas from the bottom, which will mix inside here with the air and go up this way into the motor. And those are clean, I can see through them. So I can see very well through this main hole. So that is not a problem. That's already clean. Now, on top of here, we have, I guess, idle jet, they call that. That's right. That would be right here. And that one has 1, 2, 3 openings around, plus one on the bottom of it, which is a very narrow opening. I cannot even see through that one. Okay. Now, this thing will adjust the mixture of air and gas for idle, and it's coming actually through this jet here, through these 3 holes on the sides and 1 hole in the middle jet. And mixing with the air through this opening here, actually, that I can actually unscrew also. There will be the one on the right side when you look in the choke side. Okay. That's the air jet, which is very similar to Nikki carburetor. And this one I can see through, is fine. I already cleaned that one, but that's for the opening on the right side. And that goes all the way through here and mixes the air with this screw that will adjust the mixture. And then from there it goes into these little holes on the throttle side, throttle, whatever the name is. And now let me do a little Sharpie here. Okay. And there is about 3 or 4 holes on the throttle side right here that I can't almost even see. But that is not really a good way to get inside and clean those. I mean, I can get into this one a little bit and try to clean it, but I just want to show you where is the hole. I don't know if you can see it really. That's where the hole is, and then there is 3 more a little bit deeper inside the carburetor, and that's where the idle mixture actually get in. And I have no way of cleaning those with a piece of wire because I cannot get to it. This seems to be clean. Okay, anyway, I will do my best, but there is 1, 2, 3, I can see it now, 3 right next to each other and then 1 by itself. So somehow they need to be cleaned. And then there is another air jet over here, same like the Nikki carburetor. Okay. That's pretty much exactly same thing like on the other side. And that one is clean. And this hole goes actually through here in, well, and also it could come over here for some reason. I don't know exactly what it is on this side. Makes no sense and doesn't go inside the engine or nothing. I have no idea what it's for. But I would clean this passage if I were you also. This one here and this one here. I mean, just clean it with the carburetor cleaner, blow it with the compressor, whatever you can. I mean, the carb cleaner probably is the best. And that's pretty much all you can clean on this carburetor. And it is a pain in the butt carburetor. Okay. So I will get to the cleaning. I don't want to waste your time with that. Just want to show you what to clean. And good luck with that. I will do my best this time again to clean it. Okay, good luck. Oh, I might want to show you one more thing. Actually, I'm gonna unscrew the throttle plate. And remove the throttle plate so I can clean it. This one is actually kind of dirty also. Not very pretty. And then inside here doesn't look very pretty either. If you can see inside, I don't know. Well, let me get a flashlight for you. There you go. Okay. So that's gonna have to get cleaned too. This is where you can just pretty much take it out and clean it completely. There is no way you can put it in the other way, so don't worry about it. I mean, yes, there is a way, but you would have to be really dumb to do that. And this does look pretty dirty on the inside here. Well, I might just have to soak this overnight in a carb cleaner to get everything out. We'll see. I think that will do it. Now it's actually much better access to those pinholes on the side of the carburetor. And I will try to clean those too. Alright, I hope I could help. So the carb is completely clean and I still have a problem with running the thing smoothly. So the only thing I can think of is this air hole on the bottom. This is the original seal that I made. It's too big. So I make this air hole really small. Okay. And it's actually made with a 632 screw. And let's put it in and see how that works. Otherwise I'm completely frustrated with this carburetor. Turn on the gas and I show you how it runs, and I'm gonna try to clean it while it runs. Okay, let's see. Shut the carb. Okay guys, so I try maybe 10 times to clean the carburetor, but still the engine is surging and I had no success of cleaning this thing. And in the venturi inside the idle, there is no way to get inside pretty much. You can just clean it with compressor or the carb cleaner, but there is no way to get any tool inside there. So after adjusting the gasket and everything else, I just thought I will give up on it and go with my other idea, convert it to the natural gas, and there it is right now. Probably the easiest, simplest and cheapest conversion to natural gas. So what I got here is pretty much a piece of hose from my gas meter, and I stuck it into the bottom of the carburetor. It's pretty much stuck onto the whatever that piece is sticking down. I removed the main jet because there will be kind of in a way of pushing the hose inside. So the main jet is out and the hose is pushed all the way in, and I just got a little gas shut off right there on the hose that it's about a 1/4 inch, and then hose in and hose out, and now I'm gonna get it started. And I know I already done this before. I know it's really a pain in the butt to start this kind of generator on a natural gas. The number one thing to do is just open the gas, completely close the choke. Now open the gas just a little bit. Okay, you have to listen for the gas actually to come in, and just a little bit of gas. So let me see. Okay, about this much, just a very little. Okay, so there you got it. Probably the easiest, simplest and cheapest conversion to the natural gas. So now I plugged in hair dryer. I got the meter plugged in, actually not yet, but I will plug it in as soon as it's running. And so I'm gonna get it started again. Let me just listen for the gas come in. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. Actually, it's gonna be even my left hand. Okay. Well, it might be tough. It's not gonna happen. Let me put this down. And it's running better than on gasoline. Screw that gas.